Welcome to help screen. And if you want to switch back to personal account, if you have a business account, first thing is just simply, of course, go to your Instagram application and select the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here on the profile page, you should be able to see here your account and select the three lines in the top right corner. And now from here, just simply scroll down a little bit. And you should be able to see here business tools and controls. So it is a category for professionals. So tap on the business tools. Now from here, you should have an option switch account type. So just simply tap on it. And from here, you should be able to see here switch to a personal account. So tap on it. And from here, you will have a pop-up window confirming that if you really want to switch to personal account, and this is what will happen if you switch to your personal account, that you will lose access on certain or specific feature of the business tool. Tap on switch personal account. And from here, just simply wait for it to be loaded. And as you can see, we have now switched to our personal account, and when we tap on our profile, we should not be able to see the business tools. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.